Beekeeping has been a part of human culture for thousands of years, with evidence of ancient civilizations keeping bees for their honey and wax. The first recorded beekeeping practices date back to ancient Egypt, where beekeeping was considered a sacred task. Throughout the centuries, beekeeping evolved, with the introduction of movable hives and new techniques for managing colonies. In the 19th century, the development of the modern beekeeping industry led to mass production of honey and the establishment of beekeeping associations. Today, beekeeping remains an important practice for both commercial and hobbyist beekeepers, with the growing emphasis on sustainable and organic methods to support the health of bee populations. 7000 BC Early beginnings. Cave paintings in Spain show early humans gathering honey from wild bees. 2400 BC Ancient Egypt. Hieroglyphics depict beekeeping and the use of honey in religious offerings and medicinal remedies. 700 BC Ancient Greece. Greek philosopher Aristotle writes about bee behavior and the importance of bees in pollination. 50 AD Roman beekeeping. Roman scholar Virgil writes Georgics, a poem about beekeeping, and introduces the use of straw hives. 900 AD Middle Ages. European monks begin to keep bees and develop techniques for managing colonies. 1851 Modern beekeeping. Reverend Lorenzo Langstroth invents the movable frame hive, revolutionizing beekeeping and honey production. 1923 Africanized bees. African honeybees are imported to Brazil and eventually spread throughout the Americas, causing concerns for safety and management. 1987 Varroa mites. Varroa mites, a parasitic pest of honeybees, are first detected in the United States, leading to widespread hive losses and increased research on bee health. 2010 Colony collapse disorder. Beekeepers report high rates of colony losses, leading to increased attention on factors such as pesticide use and habitat loss affecting bee populations. 2025. Technology in beekeeping. In recent years, technological advancements have played a pivotal role in beekeeping. Smart beehives equipped with sensors and monitoring devices help beekeepers track hive conditions in real time. This technology allows for early detection of issues such as diseases, pests, or unfavorable environmental conditions, enabling prompt intervention and better hive management. Genetic research for bee health. Genetic research has become a key focus in understanding and improving bee health. Scientists are exploring ways to enhance the genetic resilience of bee populations against diseases and parasites. This research holds promise for developing bees that are more adaptable to changing environmental conditions. Community awareness and urban beekeeping. Growing awareness of the importance of pollinators has led to an increase in urban beekeeping initiatives. Communities around the world are setting up beehives in urban areas, promoting bee-friendly gardens, and educating the public about the critical role of bees in ecosystems. This trend not only supports local bee populations, but also fosters a stronger connection between urban residents and nature. Global collaboration for bee conservation. Recognizing the global significance of bees, countries and organizations collaborate on initiatives for bee conservation. The focus extends beyond honey production to safeguarding the broader ecological role of bees in pollination. International agreements and initiatives aim to address the root causes of pollinator decline, including the reduction of pesticide use and the preservation of natural habitats. Conclusion. Sway reflect on the rich history of beekeeping. It is evident that the practice has come a long way from ancient civilizations to the modern era. The challenges faced by beekeepers today are met with innovative solutions, driven by technology research and a shared commitment to conservation. While concerns about pollinator decline persist, the collaborative efforts of beekeepers, scientists, and communities worldwide provide hope for the future of bees. The integration of technology, genetic research, and a heightened awareness of environmental issues positions beekeeping as a dynamic and evolving field. In the coming years, continued global cooperation and a steadfast dedication to sustainable practices will be essential to ensure the well-being of bee populations and the vital role they play in maintaining the health of ecosystems. Beekeeping stands not only as a testament to our historical connection with these remarkable insects, but also as a beacon of hope for their continued survival and prosperity.